I've never seen people so happy that someone else is not okay. Yo, South African women are so happy that Mseleku is ill, and I want us to talk about that and more here on this video. But first, I need to request you guys to like this video, and if you haven't subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also support by scrolling down the channel to watch my previous videos. So I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. I got so disturbed watching snippets of Uthando Nesthembu from Zanzi Magic's Instagram page. It starts with Mpumelelo saying that he will never listen to anything coming out of his father's mouth. And I'm asking myself, why is this boy saying this now? Why has he never said it when Mseleku was still healthy? So while I was watching that, another snippet where Mseleku asked his wife to go on a trip with him, Umayeni and Mangobe refused to go. And ever since I've watched this show, I have never heard or saw any wife refusing to go on a family trip. This starts now since Mseleku is sick and unable to articulate himself. I think people are taking advantage of Musa since he's now sick. Now, everybody is seeing it fit to just talk to him and treat him as they wish. Okay, maybe let me start by putting it out there that I am on Musa's side. And I get so bored seeing men join this plot of making Mseleku to look like he's that greedy, unthinking, and mentally disturbed human being. I personally respect the guy. I mean, all of his wives have managed to stay with him for more than 15 years because Umangobe's eldest daughter is 15 years old and Umangobe is the youngest wife. This means she stayed with the guy for more than 15 years. Even worse for Umayeni, it's almost 30 years now, and they were all happy all these years. Problem started when they started having fans, reading social media posts and comments, and are now living to please their fans, forgetting that they married Musa knowing very well that he's a polygamist. I mean, it was okay when Musa bought them cars. It was okay when he built them houses, provided them, paid for their children's school fees. Guys, I would have understood if the country hated Musa for not being a responsible husband to his wives or for not being a good father to his children. Now the problem is that he does everything that is expected from him as a husband and as a father, and no wife has ever complained about his performance in bed. So I've been trying to understand, why is the country hating this guy so much? I mean, I know men who are married, got families, but cheat on their wives, and most of them get to have children outside of their marriage. Now, what Musa does is to make sure that since he wants to have many kids, those kids are growing up under one roof that has both a mother and a father. But let me remind you why Mseleku decided to take all of these wives. The guy said all he wants is to have 20 children before he dies. And all of his wives told him that they no longer want to give him children. And for a person who works so hard to maintain his family's happiness, at least from what we are seeing on TV, I think the least that his wife could have done was to just do the only thing that he was asking: have sex, fall pregnant, and life goes on. Now, it can't be okay that the wives refuse to give him children, and at the same time, he can't take someone who will deliver on a responsibility that they're refusing to deliver on. So it's fine, Bafethu. Mtugeni there in the comment section. Okusalayo. I said what I said. Mseleku's wives are unappreciative, and that's that. So, with all of that being said, this is the end of this video. And if you enjoyed this content, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And all of that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. Let's engage again on the next one.